Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for other useful updates. If you're switching from Android devices to Apple devices, it's hassle getting the contacts. In this video, I'm going to show you easy steps to get your Android contacts or Google contacts to your iPhone or iPad. I'm making this video in iPad, but it's same for iPhone also. So to import Google Contacts to your iPhone or iPad, you have to go to the settings, and in settings, look for passwords and account. And tap on passwords and accounts. And in here, look for add account and tap on that. From which email provider you want to import the contacts, you have to tap on that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import from Google Contacts. So tap on Google. And Gmail login page will appear. Log in to your Gmail or Google account that you used in your Android device. Now after you logged into your Google account, choose the things that you want to import from your Gmail or your Google account that you used in your Android device and tap on save. This is all the process that you need to follow to import contacts and mails from your Gmail or your Google ID. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.